showing you my 2 favorite juice recipes. So I love juicing because I'm able to get all my fruits and veggies in one take, in one shot. It's loaded with lots of antioxidants and high in vitamin C and E and all those great things. And right now at this moment, I think it's always great to boost your immune system, and this is a great way to do that. So if you're interested, continue watching. So before juicing, I always wash my fruits and veggies in a little vinegar water to remove any bacteria. So the 2 juices that I will be juicing today for you are apple, carrot, ginger, and lemon. That's the first one. And then the second one will be grapefruit, orange, apple, and that's about it. So those 2 recipes I like to kind of mix up like within the week or whatnot, but usually I stick to that recipe. And I like to really juice in bulk, and I like to let that juice only last for about 2 days. Because after 2 days, then it becomes really bad and there's not a lot of nutrients in it for you. So before we begin, I like to make sure of 2 things. I like to make sure that I have an apron on because sometimes it can splash up on you and we don't even want that. Carrots, what we'll be juicing first, can stain your clothes and your hands and whatnot, so just try to make sure that you protect yourself. Also, I like to make sure that I have some ice in the container in my glass so that we make sure that the juice is preserved. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and juice. So that's about it, and I'm pretty much done. And I'll go ahead and put this in a little jar and then juice my next one. I don't really like to clean up afterwards. It's all right. Sorry, I don't like to wash the whole juicer. What I'll actually do is I'll rinse the top of it. Make sure that there's like no buildup or anything like that so that I can go ahead and juice the next thing. Honestly, I don't really mind if my juice tastes like carrot or anything like that afterwards. It's totally fine. Everything's healthy and it's eatable and it's good. It's delicious. I don't know. Do what you want. But yeah, this is what I do. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but I did put that juice that we just juiced into the fridge just so that it can stay cold until I finish doing this. And I've gone ahead and rinsed out my juicer. And honestly, I don't really need to. It depends on the machine that you get, but usually heavy duty machines like this, and this is very heavy duty, can just go from juice to juice to juice. But I'm doing myself a courtesy, and it's self a courtesy just by rinsing it prior to putting it through. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do some more. So here I have it. My juice is ready to go. And what I usually like to do is put them in mason jars just so that they're fresh and they're sealed tight. And I put that in the fridge for about 2 days, remember? So yeah, it's really simple and easy. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them as best as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.